Product research will make or break your Amazon FBA business, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down a step-by-step product research technique that I currently use to help me find products that generate me thousands of dollars and make me 5 figures profit per month. And if you guys don't believe me, let's dive into my seller account. Let's check out the sales for the day. And as you guys can see right here, I will refresh it. The last 30 days just over 40,000, and today just $600 for the day so far. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do product research properly, a new strategy using Helium 10 Magnet 2 product research tool, you're going to want to watch this entire video, so stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a multiple 6-figure Amazon seller. This is what I do full time, and I'm really excited about today's video in regards to product research. Like I said, product research will make or break your FBA business. And before we dive into the video, I want to welcome everyone that is new to the channel. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you guys went down, hit the subscribe button so that you guys stay up to date with the videos that I'm dropping in regards to selling on Amazon and how to scale and grow a successful FBA business. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Alright, so here we are inside of Helium 10, and what we're going to do is use the Magnet 2 keyword research tool for this product research technique. So this is an amazing software tool, and if you guys don't have it, I would highly recommend getting it, because not only is it going to help you with product research, it's going to help you optimize your listings, your PPC campaigns, your titles, your listings, and it's also going to help you find other keywords that you can potentially rank for, and also help you verify other products and potential products that you're looking to sell. So this tool literally does like everything that you would ever need in a keyword research tool. So if you guys don't have it yet, go to Helium 10, go to plan details, and you can kind of see the different options. The Platinum plan comes with all of the software tools that you will ever need. So that's what I have, and that's what I recommend getting. And it's going to be $48.50 for the first month if you use my coupon code AMZChampions50. And then if you just get the Magnet 2 keyword research tool and then Helium 10 X-Ray, which are the two tools that I'm going to be using in this technique, it's going to be $27 for the first month. So I would highly recommend this tool. It is a game changer. I've been using it since last July in 2018, and it has helped me just optimize my listings, and it's really made a big difference in my Amazon FBA business. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Magnet 2, and it's going to take us to the keyword research tool. And what we're going to do for this research technique is we're going to come up with a random word list. Now this may seem completely random, and I mean that's what it is. It's a random word list, and the reason behind it is we're just trying to come up with some random products, come up and find different products that we wouldn't have originally found without coming up with this random word list. So that's kind of product research in a nutshell, is just finding random techniques, random products that you wouldn't have thought of. So that's what I want you guys to think of, is when you're doing product research, just come up with random strategies, different ways to find these products. And this has really helped me find really good products. So just come up with some random words. I just kind of looked on inside my office, and this is kind of what I came up with. So the first one is bow, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy it, go back to Helium 10, the Magnet 2 keyword research tool, and I'm going to paste it inside the software. So I'm going to hit search, and then what it's going to do is it's going to come up with just a ton of different features, different filters, and you can go through and just categorize things and adjust it to how you want. So this is why I just love this tool, because it comes with so much, and as you guys can see, it shows you the exact search volume, and this is really important because this is exactly how many people are searching bow on Amazon, just on Amazon, every single month. So that's why it's super important to have this tool, because you can also find the demand of a product, because maybe you're looking to sell a product and the numbers look really good on Amazon as you pull it up on the Chrome extension, but then you come here on Magnet 2 and you search it, and it's only being searched a couple hundred times per month. So that would be a red flag. There's probably another keyword that's being searched a lot more where a lot of their sales are coming from. So this kind of helps you verify products, and it also helps you find products because it shows you other keywords that are related to this keyword that I just typed in, bow. So there's word frequencies. So as you can see, there's bows. I mean, that's related 1,700 times, almost 1,800 times when I searched that on Magnet 2 keyword research. And as you can see right here, it shows just a bunch of different phrases that are connected to this keyword. So there's 9,000 of them. And what I'm going to do is I want to narrow this list down and make it so it's easier for me to sift through the good and the bad keywords. So I'm going to go right here, word count 1 to 5. I don't want these long tail end keywords. I don't really care about it. The search volume, I want the search volume to be at least 100, and then the max, I want it just to be as many as I want it to be as much as possible, because I mean the more times people are searching it, the better. I'm not going to waste my time on a keyword that's being searched a couple hundred times per month, at least in finding a product. Now, to rank a product and for PPC campaigns, that's a perfect keyword because it's going to be very low competition, and the pay-per-click for those keywords are going to cost a couple cents because no one is using them, and you can capitalize on a couple sales per month. So this is kind of a different outlook when I'm doing product research, but when I'm looking at optimizing my listing, this complete kind of filter is going to be different as well. So I want you guys to remember that and take that into account. So now competing products, what I'm going to do is like the minimum, I'm going to put like 40 to the max of, let's do 2,500. And the reason why is 40, I don't want to really put like 1 or 2 competing products, because if there is a competing product that is being searched a couple thousand times and there's only 2 or 3 competing products, that's a red flag to me, because it's either a gated or restricted product that I'm not eligible to sell, there's a patent on that product, or it's a name brand. So if we scroll down right here, you'll see this 4, it's Bose UGG boots for women. There's 39 competing products, and the reason why there's only that many competing products is because Uggs is a brand name. So that's what we want to be aware when we're doing this research technique, is make sure to check that this keyword that you're looking at isn't a brand, there's not a patent on the product, because if there's only a couple competing products, that's kind of a red flag, because the majority of these products, there's at least a couple hundred people trying to compete for that keyword. So just take that into account. Nothing to be scared of, but the competing products there. Then the Magnet IQ score, I'm going to go and I'm going to put the minimum 100, and then the max, I want that to be as high as I can, because the higher the number, the better for the IQ score. And if I hit apply, you're going to see that this thing drops from 9,000 to 700. So now we have a bigger list. We have a smaller list to pick from with more targeted keywords that fit our search criteria, because we're looking for a high competition product with low demand. So right here, we want high search volume, but we don't want to be competing against 5 million products. So that's why I have it set up to be like this. And you're going to see just a bunch of random products that you can go through and click on and see if any have potential. So like, for example, the first one that comes up, bow choker, I mean, is being searched 212 times per month, which isn't a ton, but there's not a crazy number of competing products, so maybe I want to go in and check this out. So I click on it, I can kind of look at it, get a feel for what the product is, see how many reviews people are having, and if it looks like it's a product that I'm interested in selling, then I'll pull the X-Ray Chrome extension and see how competitive it is, see what the average price is, see how much of a demand there is for this product. Because I mean, if you looked, it's only being searched 212 times, so there may not be a ginormous demand for that product, and so that's what you kind of want to look at when you pull the Chrome extension. So let's go back to bow choker as this thing is loading. So now that this is loaded, what we're going to do is we're going to break down the data and see what potential this product has with a keyword bow choker. So I searched it, I pulled the Chrome extension. Now we're going to see if the product is in demand, and we're going to see what the competition is looking like. So the first thing that I'm looking at is the average reviews. That's going to show me how competitive this particular product is. So there's 90 reviews. Then I'm going to look at the average price. That's a little bit lower than what I want. And then I'm also going to look at the revenue. So as you guys can see right here, you have one seller that's just doing extremely well, and then the other sellers are not doing as good. So with the amount of average reviews, the demand for the product, I mean, not a lot of people are having a ton of success with it other than one seller. I'm going to say I'll probably move on to the next product and go back to the drawing board. So then I'm going to go back to Magnet, and I'm just going to keep scrolling through these different keywords and see what other keywords have potential. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to verify it with the Chrome extension. And then if the Chrome extension shows that it has good potential, then I'm going to dive in a little bit deeper, check the profit margins, check other keywords, not just one keyword. I'm going to check multiple keywords for that particular product, and we're going to see if we can find a product. So that's kind of an overview of what I do. Make sure you filter out these different categories so that you're not looking at so many keywords. I mean, we dropped from 10,000 to 700, and this is filtered this way for a reason. We're trying to find low competition products, so we don't want to compete against 5 million sellers that are being searched, that are in demand with a good IQ score. So another thing that you can do is right here, if I click on search volume, I can click on this, and then it's going to categorize it from being searched the most to the least. So then we can scroll down and we can see if some of these other products have potential. So like, for example, right here, hair bow organizer, I mean, it's being searched 2,500 times. The IQ score is pretty good, and there's less than 1,000 competing products. So maybe that's a product that I want to sell. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go in and verify it with the Chrome extension. So now that we have the Chrome extension pulled up, we can then go in and break down the data once again and verify, double check, see what the average reviews are, average price, average revenue. So looking at this one, it looks a lot better than the bow, what was it, the bow choker. So comparing the two, this is going to be a lot better, but maybe it's still a little too competitive and there's still not a huge demand for it, even though people are still doing pretty well with it. So maybe I do want to go in and check some other keywords that are related to this hair bow organizer. So that is kind of how it's structured, the product research technique. I really like this. It just comes and it helps me think of different keywords that I would have never thought of. And I mean, I would have never known that this even existed, that this was even a product that was being searched 2,500 times. But people are searching it, people are buying it. So, I mean, you just have to look at the data, and if the data shows that the product is in demand, then that's what you're looking for. Too many times we're looking for products that we're passionate about, that we want to sell, but that's not how Amazon works. We need to get creative with our product research, look at the data, see if it's low competition, high demand, what is the profit on each unit that we sell. We need to take into account FBA fees. We need to look at gated, ungated, restricted products. I mean, there's so much that goes into it, and I want to make sure that you guys are set up for success. Now, what I just said might have just went right over your head. That is completely fine, because that is why I have this channel. That is why I have a Facebook group. That is why I have an online training course taking you step by step, showing you all the steps to be successful with Amazon. So don't be afraid to go in and try these different techniques. Reach out to me if you need help. Right now I'm doing a deal where I have a course that's 21 bucks just focused on product research, talking about all the complicated things that I just mentioned. So if you guys are interested in that, check the link down below. Get signed up for that so that you can really understand product research, because if you do, then that is like 90% of Amazon right there is just product research. So I hope that you take advantage of all the resources that I'm throwing down in the link. Helium 10, it's an awesome resource. The Facebook group, take advantage of it. I'm trying to provide as much value as humanly possible, and I hope that you guys take advantage of it. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. It really means the world to me. I would have never thought that I would be at this point where I'm at currently, and that is why I'm trying to help people. That's what makes me happy, and that's why I do what I do. So I just want to say thank you. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, go down and hit the subscribe button, and also if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and like this video. So thanks again, and we will see you in the next video.